In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check alignment of your element in Canva. If you've ever wondered whether a text box, photo, or shape is perfectly spaced in your design, this quick technique will give you instant clarity without digging through menus or guessing by eye. Start by opening your project in Canva so you can see the page you're working on. Give yourself a clean view of the canvas. No need to change any settings or add guides for this. If it helps, adjust your zoom so the element you care about is clearly visible. Now, move your cursor over the element you want to check. This could be a headline, a logo, a button, or any other object on the page. You don't need to click or change tools. Simply hover your mouse over the element so Canva knows what you're focusing on. Here's the simple trick. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. On some keyboards, this may be labeled Option, but it's the same idea. Keep that key held down. As you do, you'll see alignment values appear around your element, typically at the top, bottom, left, and right edges. These numbers represent the spacing between the element and the nearest boundaries or objects, giving you a precise read on how everything lines up. Watch how those values help you judge balance. If the left and right numbers match, your element is centered relative to those references. If the top and bottom numbers match, it's vertically balanced in that space. This is especially helpful for confirming equal margins, even spacing between items, and consistent placement across slides or pages. If you're working on a clean, minimal layout, these values quickly confirm that your spacing is intentional and consistent. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. Keep the Alt key held as long as you want the values visible. They'll disappear when you release it. Move your cursor carefully over the element to ensure Canva displays the numbers you want to see. If the values feel small, zoom in a bit so the measurements are easier to read. And if you're not seeing anything, try hovering directly over the element's body rather than near its edges. That's all it takes. Open your project, hover over the element, press and hold Alt, and read the alignment values around it. It's a fast, reliable way to verify spacing and keep your designs looking clean and professional.